Imagine a world where our energy comes not from burning fossil fuels, but from the endless power of the sun and the wind. A world where our transportation doesn't choke our cities with smog, but glides silently on electric currents. This vision, once a distant dream, is rapidly becoming a reality, driven by the rise of a new breed of industry leaders, the clean tech titans. The science is clear. Climate change poses a pressing threat, and the cost of inaction is staggering. According to a 2021 report by the McKinsey Global Institute, if left unchecked, climate change could cost the global economy trillions of dollars each year by 2050. Specifically, the transition to net zero emissions by 2050 would require $9.2 trillion in annual average spending on physical assets, which is $3.5 trillion more than today. While the spending would be front-loaded, the impact would vary across countries and sectors. Despite the challenges, the net zero transition also presents growth opportunities and helps mitigate the most catastrophic impacts of climate change. On the other hand, there's also a tremendous economic opportunity. The clean tech sector is projected to reach a value of $4.8 trillion by 2025. This sector encompasses renewable energy, EVs, energy efficiency, and other tech to reduce GHGs. This video investigates the world of clean tech titans, exploring the companies leading the charge in innovation, the economic forces driving the green wave, and the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. We'll meet the pioneers developing next-generation solar panels, and the minds crafting sustainable solutions. The rise of clean tech titans isn't a random phenomenon. It's a confluence of powerful forces reshaping the global landscape, creating a perfect storm for sustainable innovation. Here at Sustainable Investing Digest, we understand the importance of these drivers and how they translate into compelling investments. A 2022 Nielsen IQ report reveals a significant shift in consumer behavior. Millennials and Gen Z, now wielding considerable purchasing power, prioritize sustainability when making choices. From EVs to organics, they're driving demand for eco-friendly products and services, putting pressure on traditional companies to adapt or risk getting swept away by the green wave. Governments around the world are enacting stricter carbon emission regulations, making clean tech solutions not just desirable but essential. For example, the EU's ambitious Green Deal aims for carbon neutrality by 2050. Similarly, the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 offers substantial tax credits for clean energy projects, further accelerating clean tech adoption. A recent study by the International Renewable Energy Agency shows dramatic declines in the cost of solar and wind power, making them increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. According to a 2023 report by Morgan Stanley, clean tech investments are projected to reach an astonishing $1.5 trillion annually by 2030. So, who are the clean tech titans? Firms like Ørsted from Denmark and NextEra Energy from the US are reshaping our energy infrastructure. Ørsted stands as the world's preeminent developer of offshore wind farms, capturing the ocean's might to produce clean electricity. NextEra Energy is at the helm of utility-scale solar and wind power, showcasing the scalability and economic viability of renewables. While Tesla is synonymous with electric vehicles, competitors such as China's BYD and America's Rivian are expanding the horizons of EV technology. Rivian is revolutionizing sustainable transport for commercial use with its cutting-edge electric trucks and vans. Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, both hailing from the US, are at the forefront of the plant-based meat revolution. Denmark's Novozymes, a titan in industrial biotechnology, is pioneering the development of enzymes and microorganisms. These exemplars represent merely a fraction of the clean tech landscape brimming with innovative enterprises. At Sustainable Investing Digest, we are dedicated to meticulously assessing these companies, pinpointing those poised to yield robust financial returns while fostering a positive environmental impact. Opportunities and challenges. Market expansion. The clean tech sector is poised for significant growth, projections estimating its value to reach $4.8 trillion by 2025. Portfolio diversification. Clean tech presents a compelling diversification option for traditional investment portfolios. This sector's stability can help mitigate overall investment risk. Growth potential. Many clean tech companies are in the early stages of development and possess significant growth potential. Balancing metrics for sustainable investing. Sustainable Investing Digest employs a comprehensive ESG framework when evaluating clean tech opportunities, considering not just financial metrics but also the social, economic and environmental impacts of these companies. Social impact. Clean tech companies contribute positively to society by generating employment in green sectors, enhancing air quality, and facilitating energy access in developing regions. Look for companies with robust labor practices, diversity initiatives, and community engagement programs. Economic impact. Investments in clean tech can drive economic growth by spurring innovation, drawing foreign direct investments, and birthing new industries. Environmental impact. The essence of clean tech is its environmental advantage. It's important to evaluate a company's strategies for reducing its carbon footprint, enhancing resource efficiency, and dedication to a circular economy. Companies developing and implementing clean tech tangibly cutting GHGs, fostering environmental sustainability are the titans in this sector. In short, analyze market growth potential, risk diversification, high growth prospects, and solid ESG metrics. While the clean tech sector presents undeniable opportunities, it also faces several challenges that must be navigated carefully. Infrastructure limitations. Without critical upgrades, the integration of renewable energy sources can be inefficient and fraught with technological issues. Policy inconsistency. Government policies are pivotal in fostering clean tech adoption. Consumer affordability. Investors and policymakers must devise strategies that alleviate affordability issues. These challenges underscore the imperative for a synergistic approach among governments, businesses and investors to cultivate an ecosystem conducive to clean tech innovation and implementation. The path forward involves strategic investments, supportive policies, and a collective commitment to environmental stewardship and social responsibility. By carefully analyzing market trends, ESG metrics, and long-term growth potential, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Here at Sustainable Investing Digest, we believe in the power of collective action. Join our community of changemakers. Are you passionate about making a positive impact on the planet while growing your wealth? Then you've come to the right place. But we're not just about the money. We believe it's about creating a better future for all. That's why we're calling on you to join our community of changemakers. Subscribe to Sustainable Investing Digest's YouTube channel. Leave a comment below. Together, through informed choices, responsible investing, and a commitment to sustainability, we can ride the green wave and build a brighter future for generations to come. Let's make it happen.